How do you say wind in Spanish? Viento. Repeat after me. Viento. How do you say cloud? Nube. Repeat after me. Nube. Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say rain? Lluvia. Repeat after me. Lluvia. How do you say snow? Nieve. Repeat after me. Nieve. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say thunder? Trueno. Repeat after me. Trueno. How do you say lightning? Relámpago. Repeat after me. Relámpago. Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say fog? Niebla. Repeat after me. Niebla. How do you say sun? Sol. Repeat after me. Sol. How do you say rainbow? Arcoíris.
How do you say son of a bitch in Spanish? Hijo de puta. How do you say asshole? Idiota. How do you say bastard? Bastardo. How do you say bitch? Perra. How do you say dumbass? Estúpido. How do you say go to hell? Vete a la mierda. How do you say motherfucker? Cabrón. How do you say my love? Mi amor. Can you repeat? Mi amor. How do you say kiss me? Bésame. Can you repeat? Bésame. How do you say hug me? Abrázame. Can you repeat? Abrázame. I miss you. Te echo de menos. Can you repeat? Te echo de menos. How do you say I like you? Me gustas. Can you repeat? Me gustas.